Hi, this is Nicole from the Markesan Public Library, and today I want to show you a wonderful new resource we have thanks to the Francis and Ruth Oberick Foundation. They gave us a wonderful donation, and now we're able to offer you Hoopla. Hoopla is another service similar to Libby and Overdrive, which allows patrons to download books, movies, music, and more audiobooks too with their library card 24/7 a day. So I'm going to show you how to get started. You can do it several ways. Go to our website, www.markesanlibrary.org. You can click on download books, and that'll show all the different databases we have to offer books. And here's Hoopla. You could also go to research tools, and we have it, the link on that page as well, right here, Hoopla. You can also go right on our main web page and scroll down, and along the side there is a link right here, Hoopla, and click it, and that will take you into the Hoopla website. Now there's going to be this pop-up window that asks you if Hoopla can access your location. We recommend that you allow them to, just because when it comes time to enter your library card number in and choose your library, it makes it easier for you to do that. Right now, if I had an account, I would type in my email and password and log in. I could have my device save it, but we're going to pretend that I don't have an account, and we're going to sign up for one. I'm using a computer right now. You might want to go and have this on your e-reader, your tablet, your smartphone. In that case, instead of going through your browser, you would want to go to your app store and download the Hoopla app. Right now I'm on my computer. I'm going to click Get Started Today. The first thing they're going to ask for is your email, and then you confirm your email, and you yourself create your own password and confirm your password, and then you would agree to their terms and conditions. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in a email. And then I'd make up a password. And they're going to make sure you're typing everything correctly. And then I would click Agree. It'll ask you if you want to save your password. You could or not. Now, based on the location access that you gave them, you might have some suggested libraries to choose from. If you don't see your library, right now I don't see Markesan, I could scroll down and, oops, there's Markesan. I could also type in my city name and my zip code, and here it pops up right at the top. Now you are going to want to, you could possibly select Green Lake or Berlin, but the reality is it won't let you sign up if your home library isn't that library. My home library is the Markesan Public Library. Your home library is the library where you usually visit all the time, and your card is set up for all of your holds to come to that library. So I'm going to click Markesan Public Library, and then I'm going to click Next. Now here's where they're going to ask for your library card number and your PIN. Your library card number is that number on the back of your library card. You enter it in with no spaces. Your PIN number is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number that you gave us when you signed up for a card. Now, let's say the library is closed. You don't have a card. You really want to access this wonderful new resource. You can get a temporary card, and then to do that you would click here to obtain a library card online. Now there's going to be a bunch of choices. You would click none of these apply if indeed you don't have a library card. Then the computer will explain to you that this is a temporary card. You'll get it for 30 days. You need to come into the library within that 30 days to verify your address with an ID. And you would click here and you would start the process of getting a temporary card. We're going to assume that you do have a card. I will start typing stuff in and keep going, but right now I'm going to pause, and after you would type in your card number and your PIN number, you would click Sign Me Up. So now you're signed into your account. You can see what's offered through the library. Right now, instead of exploring the service, first I'm going to just take you over here to this particular icon for your settings. I'm going to click on there. I just want to show you some important things here. You can choose not to have emails sent to you. You can choose to turn on the kids mode. I think that's a really good idea if you have young children at your house, because especially with the movies, there's some very inappropriate content for children. So depending on who's using this resource, make sure you turn the kids mode on or off. You can see what you've borrowed. There's different options. Right now I'm going to log out so I can show you how to log in once you already have an account. I'm going to log in with my email address, my personal one, and my password. And it's pretty easy. I'm not going to save. And now when I signed in, it's taking me to my Hoopla page. This one just shows what I already have borrowed out. It shows recommendations. The more I use this service, the better the recommendations will be. I can browse with Hoopla and just see what they all have to offer by format. I'm going to go down to movies. The nice thing about this service for our particular library is that there is a pretty good movie collection with Hoopla that isn't quite as robust on Libby or Overdrive. So you can just look and see what they all have in movies and choose some that you like. You could also go over to the television if you like to watch TV series. Now you're going to be limited to 7 checkouts per month. So just keep that in mind. This service is pay-as-you-go, so with the amount of funds we have right now, we have to limit our patrons to 7 checkouts a month. With television series, each episode is considered a checkout. Maybe I want to get an ebook. I'll click on ebooks. Let's see what they have there. You can sort by title, by popularity. Right now it's by popularity. You could go by categories. Let's see what kind of categories they have. I think I am interested in book club recommendations. One of the really nice things about Hoopla is that no matter what, there's no holds. So the titles you see are titles you can check out, and a book club could check out multiple titles of the same copy. So everyone will have a copy. These are some recommendations they have for book clubs. I think I'm going to choose The Mountains Will Sing. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to pretend I'm in a book club that wants that book. It'll give you a little more information, and you can click Borrow. And look at right here. These are the Patron ratings. So it's got pretty good ratings. Click Borrow. It'll tell me I can have this for 21 days. I can click Borrow the title. And now when I go to this My Hoopla, you will see the book right there, and I can click play and access it. So that's really all I wanted to show you today, just to get you started. If you have any questions on using this resource, please call the library at 920-398-3434 and enjoy. Thank you.